Okay. This is my first ever Alpine coaster. Luge Alpine. I don't know how to pronounce it. Also Luge Alpine or Luge Alpine. I am horrible at French, but hey, it's my first Alpine coaster. It's an Alpine. No, sorry. It's a Wiegand Alpine. I cannot talk. It's a Wiegand Alpine coaster. Which there are over 200 of around the world. This one is one of the shorter and slower ones. Nonetheless, it looks like it's a hell of a time. It looks super fun. I don't have any expectations for how the layout is, of course, but I'm hella excited to try my first Alpine coaster. We're on the cable lift right now. Usually these lifts on Alpine coasters seem to take quite a while. I believe this one takes about a minute, but we're already at the top. All right, and here we go. Here comes the drop. Oh, yeah, I don't know how to do this. All right, here goes. Whoa, okay, there's actually quite a lot of speed on this. Whoa, okay, good laterals. Good laterals. It's actually better than I thought it was going to be already. I didn't know I was supposed to hold down the handle. Woo! And then slowly brake here. Oh, wow. All right. And then there are some automatic brakes here before I then slowly let go. It's a very weird braking system, but here we are. Go. Okay, here we go for our second try. And this time, I'm gonna do my very best to go as fast as possible, because this thing actually has some pretty good laterals. I also know how the brakes work this time, which I didn't the first time, which is pretty embarrassing. I've never seen a POV myself of someone fucking up the brakes like I did. So, I mean, now you know how big of an idiot I am, so that's great. Anyway, yeah. I really enjoy this ride. I just had another ride with my sister as well, so this is actually my third ride. And me and my sister, we did brake in the turns because she was most comfortable with that. I'm gonna try to go as fast as possible now and just see what's up, you know? So here we go. Luge Alpine. I bet if any French people watching this are laughing their ass off from how horrible my French is. But here we go. Luge Alpine, full speed. Already. Little speed here, little dip here. Weak floater. Very good laterals here. Oh, very good, very sustained laterals. Just keeps on going. No laterals here really. Well, very weak. A little floater prop there. Continues. Laterals. Very laterals on braking. Oh. Woo. Yeah. So that was as fast as I could go pretty much. So now we're just gonna go here gently, brake up so we don't hit anybody.
Oh,